Welcome to Secret Stops, your daily gateway to the most breathtaking destinations around the world. From iconic landmarks to hidden gems, we bring you a journey through stunning landscapes, vibrant cultures, and unforgettable adventures. Today, we're exploring the riverside beaches near Tower Bridge, London, a place where historic charm meets modern city life. And the Thames reveals a unique coastal touch in the heart of the capital. So sit back, relax, and let's discover the magic of Tower Bridge's riverside together. Welcome to one of the most iconic symbols of London, Tower Bridge, a masterpiece of Victorian engineering. In timeless beauty, standing proudly over the River Thames since 1894, this bridge is more than just a way to cross the water. It's a living monument to the city's history, culture, and innovation. As you approach Tower Bridge, its twin Gothic-style towers rise dramatically against the London skyline. Built with a combination of stone and steel, they blend the elegance of medieval architecture with the strength of the industrial age. The bridge itself is not only a passageway, but also a work of art, admired by travelers from every corner of the globe. When the bridge opens, you can witness a truly magical sight. The massive bascules lifting gracefully to let ships pass beneath. It's a moment where tradition meets modern life, a reminder that London is still a thriving port city, even in the heart of its modern skyline. Watching the bridge rise is like stepping back in time, connecting us to more than a century of history. From the pedestrian walkways above, the views are unforgettable. To one side, you'll see the Tower of London, a 1,000-year-old fortress that once guarded the city. To the other, the glistening glass towers of modern London, including the famous Shard, create a perfect contrast of past and present. Standing on Tower Bridge, you'll feel the pulse of the city, where heritage and progress walk hand in hand. At night, Tower Bridge transforms into a glowing spectacle. Illuminated by shimmering lights, its reflection dances across the Thames, creating a romantic and cinematic view that leaves every visitor in awe. Whether you're strolling along the riverside, taking a boat cruise beneath its arches, or simply pausing to admire it from afar, Tower Bridge offers a picture-perfect experience at every angle, a symbol of resilience, creativity, and British charm. Tower Bridge is not just a crossing, but a destination in itself. It's a place where history comes alive, where architecture inspires, and where travelers create memories that last a lifetime. So when you find yourself in London, make sure to stand before this great landmark. Breathe in the history, capture the views, and let the story of Tower Bridge become part of your own journey. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Tower Bridge. We hope it inspired your next adventure and gave you a glimpse of the beauty our world has to offer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our daily travels. Where should we explore next? Drop your suggestions in the comments. Your dream destination might be in our next video. Until then, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and we'll see you in the next journey.